Net4 5101, Net 4.5 Targeting Pack. .NET Framework 4.5 is a software framework developed by Microsoft that supports the development and execution of applications and services using .NET technologies. It is a highly compatible, in-place update to .NET Framework 4, meaning that it can run applications that target .NET Framework 4 and earlier versions. Some of the details of .NET Framework 4.5 are: it introduces new features and enhancements in various areas, such as asynchronous programming, web development, data access, networking, Windows Presentation Foundation, WPF, Windows Communication Foundation, WCF, Windows Workflow Foundation, WF, and Windows Store Apps. It supports C# 5, Visual Basic 11, and F# 3 programming languages, as well as new versions of Visual Studio and Expression Blend tools. It requires Windows Vista SP2, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows Server 2008 SP2, Windows Server 2008 R2 SP1, or Windows Server 2012 as the minimum operating system. It can be downloaded from the official Microsoft website or installed through Windows Update. It is also available in different languages. It has reached the end of life on April 26, 2022, meaning that it is no longer supported by Microsoft. It is recommended to upgrade to a newer version of .NET Framework, such as .NET Framework 4.8, which is the latest supported version. Learn more. 1. Download .NET Framework 4.5 free official downloads. https://.net